Parents and students who made it to an end of another school year. We appreciate all the hard work and everybody's done, and we look forward to wrapping things up with our half days and exam schedule. So just a reminder, on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, we'll be under an exam schedule, which means our first class will be from 8:20 to 10. We'll have brunch from 10 to 10:45, and then our next period will be from 10:52 to 12:30. After that, if you have signed your early release form, which needs to be turned in as soon as possible before the start of that class, that student can then go to the front of the gym and they can join our car rider line. If not, they'll be waiting until 3:35, where they'll be picked up at our normal school buses at the end of the school day. Or the third option would be you can check them out if they've not turned in their form at the front office after the lunch car riders go through. So we also expect an increased traffic during that time period. So in order to assist with this, we are adjusting our traffic flow just a little bit. So we understand most of our traffic will be coming down East Hall Road, either making a left or a right on East Hall Drive. And as you come through, this is where the change is going to be. You're going to make a right into the wrong lane, into the exiting lane, where you're going to be driving down all the way through the bus ramp and back up through the front of the side of the PAC to the front of the gym where we pick them up. All right, and then you'll exit the front. Now, the front area will be closed aside from exiting traffic. So please, parents, do not come this way. You will have to, again, come down East Hall Road. Either make your left or right. Coming down East Hall Drive, you will make a right here into the wrong exit lane. And then you'll drive all the way around in order for us to ease the traffic pattern and come through the side of the PAC to the front of the gym where you will pick up your student and then exit out the front there. So again, please remember, we'll have exam schedule. Make sure you return your forms to your appropriate teachers and make sure that you remember the traffic flow where you will be coming out the exit lane or coming into the exit lane, making a right on the exit lane and working your way all the way down. We look forward to you having a great summer and this next few days to go smooth and easy. If you have any questions, please email adam.rich@hallco.org.